Welcome to FargoFX. This is Subscriber Builds, episode 16. Yes, it has been a long time since episode 15. In fact, it's been a long time since I uploaded anything. But I am not dead, and I hope to get back into the swing of regular uploads very soon, and I really mean it this time. Just a quick word before we jump into the subscriber builds. This episode of Subscriber Builds will probably be the second to the last, at least for a while. I really want to focus on uploading more of my DIY stuff and also maybe doing one or two reviews again. With that said, if you have a build that you want to send in, if you've been making knives or forging or woodwork or whatever, and you want to submit your work, you can definitely do that. At some point in the future, we probably will come back and do some more. It's been really fun to see the work that you guys do and also to be able to share that. So if you've sent stuff to me and it isn't in this episode, it will probably be featured in Subscriber Builds 17, and that will probably be it for a while. With that said, we have some great submissions today, so we're going to jump right into it. Because there are many to get to, I won't be able to comment individually on them, but there is some really great work here, so I would encourage you to watch them all. And if anybody has any input, we can do that in the conversation below. So here we go. I hope you find these as inspiring as I did, and please enjoy the show. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks again for joining me. Thank you so much to those who contributed. And as always, whoever you are, whatever you're doing, have a wonderful time. And we'll see you in the next video.